Hey everybody, we're back and we're talking the biggest broadcast event on earth. Well, it's big, but it's not really that big because I'll tell you why, space is limited. But this is the first of its kind, not only for ORMS, but for the Western Cape. People have been dying to go to an expo where they can get their hands on the latest technology in terms of cameras. And so this is Go Broadcasting. And tell you what, it's coming your way on the weekend of the 21st and 22nd of October.
Yeah, so it's an ORMS event hosted right here in Cape Town called Go Live, and it's all the best broadcasting equipment that money can possibly buy.
Oh,
so
please tell me that there's something that coming that we haven't seen before, Dion.
Well,
please.
Look, there's stuff that you haven't seen, definitely.
Yeah.
And there's stuff that you guys haven't seen. So for Sony, like let's just start there.
Yeah.
Okay, they're bringing their full cinema series. Okay, so that's the whole FX line. That's FX30, FX3, FX6, FX9, and of course the brand new Sony Venice 2. Okay,
Venice or Venus?
Venice.
Venice.
Okay?
Venice is coming. It's coming next week. That's Venice coming. It's Venice.
Literally $1 million video camera.
Hey.
Okay, never before seen in South Africa, but it'll be there. You can go have a play, touch, feel. Phenomenal stuff. Okay, you've got Canon, okay, coming as well.
Love.
Massive stand.
Will Roger be there? Rogers, we're watching this. Roger's going to be there. Roger is the most knowledgeable Canon person on earth.
Yeah, imagine all of Canon's cinema cameras. Okay, C200, C300, C500, C70,
Come see for
R5,
yourself.
C, everything is going to be there. You're going to have Black Magic, you're going to have sound displays, you're going to have the guys from Atomos, you're going to have everybody there giving you the lowdown on pretty much anything you need for broadcasting.
Well, that's the other thing as well. Not only will you be able to experience the products there, but also there are industry leaders that'll be on the stage at various times throughout the course of the weekend, imparting with information that you won't normally get anywhere else. That's what you'll get nowhere else but at this event. How do I get there? What's it going to cost me? I don't care how you get there. Get there. We'll put the link in the description down below. And guess what it's going to cost you to come?
Absolutely nothing. Free.
Can you
Completely free.
believe it? Mahala, zero. All you have to do is tell us that you're interested in coming by clicking on the link below. We'd love to know for numbers. And also importantly, we don't want you to miss out. So please be a part of this amazing event. And well done to ORMS for taking the initiative again, understanding that people want something for the broadcast industry that's just not available in the Western Cape. Get down there, and more importantly, for all those deals on that equipment that's on display, get to ormsdirect.co.za. And what about exclusive deals?
So imagine up to 15% off on Canon broadcast gear.
Get out of here.
Exclusive to this event.
Will there be giveaways?
There will be giveaways, massive giveaways, but you got to register down below.
Register!